Long ago, in the mystical hills of the Cleanheart Valley, where the whispers of spirits danced with the breeze and the stars carried ancestral secrets, twin sisters were born under a rare blood moon. Atawa and Atawo were their names, and they were said to share a single soul split between two bodies. Atawa was the favored one, beautiful and bold, while Atawo was her quiet shadow, her heart heavy with unspoken desires. The villagers whispered that Atawo was the new guardian of the mark of Badmind, evidenced by a small shimmering scar over her heart, set to glow red when consumed with jealousy. A new guardian was born every generation to protect humanity from being plagued by the cataclysmic effects of bad mind. To do this, they had to ensure they did nothing for which envy or jealousy was a catalyst. Their lives intertwined with the supernatural when Atawa married Mawuli, a warrior blessed by Anansi, the trickster god. Mawuli was tall, with skin like polished ebony and eyes that held the light of the dawn. Atawo had fallen for him at first sight during the great harvest festival, where Mawuli's deep voice and harmonious laughter rang like a melody through the hills. But Atawa, with her charm and wit, made a beeline for and wove her way into Mawuli's heart. She claimed him, leaving Atawa to retreat into the shadows, where the fire of Badmind ignited and burned brighter with each passing day. One fateful night, as the wind howled through the valley, a towel made her way to the Obia woman who lived deep in the forest. Mother Bessie, she whispered, her heart trembling with desperation. I want him. My woolly belonged to me. Mother Bessie, cloaked in shadows, chuckled softly. Why you ask for come with a price in a child? A soul divided must never unite, or else a bare chaos a go follow. But a towel, blinded by her yearning, nodded. I will pay any price for him. Mother Bessie handed a towel a vial of crimson potion. Pour this into the waters that he bathed in, and his spirit will be drawn to yours. But be careful, for the gods do not look kindly upon those who tamper with fate. And be careful what you wish for, because you will surely get it. Atawa did not care. She set her plan in motion. So one moonlit evening, she visited her sister's home. She waited until Mawuli went to take his bath in the sacred spring behind the house, and then she sneakily poured the potion into the water. The moment it touched the surface, the air thickened with magic, and the stars above seemed to dim. When Mawuli emerged, his eyes met Atawo's, and the spark between them ignited into an uncontrollable blaze. That night, the bond forged by Mother Bessie's potion brought them together in a torrid, passionate union. Their unification was fierce, forbidden, and fueled by a towel's bad mind. The stolen moments between them, Mawuli's touch burned like fire against her skin, and their passion defied the laws of nature and man. But the potion's magic did not merely bind Mawuli to a towel. It expanded the cursed mark over her heart and released the pathogen she had guardianship of. The gods grew angry. Thunder roared across the valley, and the earth trembled beneath their feet. Tired of sharing Mawuli, Atawo captured an episode of their forbidden tryst in a mystical mirror and sent it to her sister Atawa. When Atawa saw the truth, her heart shattered. She fled into the forest, her cries echoing like the wails of a banshee. As she vanished, a dark curse fell upon the land. The crops withered, the rivers dried up, and conflicts broke out everywhere. The villagers cried that the gods had turned their wrath upon them because a towel broke the sacred balance, and released the Badmind pathogen on everyone. Atawo, unbothered, prepares for her wedding with a child in her womb, but the skies grow darker each day, and the scar over her heart burns luminously. Atawa, consumed by sorrow and yearning for vengeance, roams the hills as a spirit of the wind, her cries and heartbreak spreading the pathogen to everywhere the wind blows. She tirelessly chants, "You may have taken Mamana Tawo, but you will never keep him. The gods see everything, and your happiness will not last. Your bad mind will not win." And so the valley waits in silence, the air thick with the promise of retribution. For in Cleanheart Valley, where spirits walk among the living, no offense goes unrewarded.